I'm Alex Karnal. I'm a partner at Deerfield, where we invest in healthcare companies. Deerfield is a place where all of us come together behind a belief in a world with fewer diseases and less suffering. And for me, this is uniquely personal because I lost my dad to Parkinson's. I stood by his side hopeless, looking for options, but finding none. I carry that with me every day I come to work with all of my partners, trying to seek out those medicines that will change people's lives in the future. The President's proposal would be absolutely chilling on our ability to make investments in highly risky transformational medicines. For example, many of my peers have the ability to think about whether or not they're going to invest in highly risky drug development, whether they're going to invest in low-risk incremental drug development, whether they're going to invest in just commercial healthcare companies. And in fact, they can look outside of healthcare at the newest, latest, and greatest app and what the risk-reward looks like there. So investors that are in charge of capital are constantly making the decision around where are they getting the best return for the risk that they're taking. Under the proposed plan, we have to take a lot of risk up front, but there's great uncertainty in terms of what price we could realize downstream. The consequence of that is that we just won't be able to take the types of risk we can that lead to the transformational medicines that we need for tomorrow. This is a program that prevents investors from being able to invest and inventors from being able to invent. Imagine if President Trump were to go out and identify a great place to go and build a new condo. And he were to dig the hole and get all of the capital that he needed to build this building, and then be super excited about to launch this building into the marketplace. And all of a sudden the government showed up and said, hey, great building, we're really excited to have it, but the prices that you can charge can't be any greater than the prices that are being charged in rural India, because we think that's fair. Except here, what we're talking about is not replaceable living space, but potentially cures for diseases that people need. President Trump, we have got to lower drug prices at the pharmacy counter right now. In order to do that, we need 4 key groups to come together. We need the drug companies, we need the insurers, we need these middlemen that set price called the PBMs, and we need key government officials to come together and derive a holistic solution to treat the disease versus using foreign reference pricing as a scheme to focus on a single symptom.